Hello everybody, welcome to Everest Coaching Institute. Today we will discuss class 12th economics. हम अपने जो सीरीज़ हमारी चल रही है चैप्टर की स्ट्रैटेजी ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ फ्रॉम 1947 टू 1990 हम उसको ही आगे कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। अभी हमने इंडस्ट्रीज़ के बारे में पढ़ा है। इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी रेजोल्यूशन 1956 हमने डिटेल में डिस्कस किया है। नाउ आफ्टर डिस्कसिंग दिस वी हैव टू डिस्कस व्हाट आर द वेरियस डायमेंशंस ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन। कि इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन को हम बूस्ट कर रहे हैं इंडियन इकोनॉमी में, व्हाट आर द वेरियस डायमेंशंस, कौन सी तरह में हम बूस्ट कर सकते हैं। तो चलो देखते हैं। टू डायमेंशंस ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन, one is growth of large scale industries and another is growth of small scale industries. तो बेटा ये लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज़ के बारे में हम इतना डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे इस कंटेक्स्ट में। इस चैप्टर में हम लोग स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज़ को ही ज़्यादा डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलो इसको देखते हैं। फिर स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री, बेसिकली स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री इज़ द इंडस्ट्री मतलब विच रिक्वायर्स लेस इन्वेस्टमेंट, मतलब इट्स टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट शुड नॉट एक्सीड ₹5 crores as on date, right? But at the beginning of planning, like in the year on 1st April 1951, first 5-year plan was laid down, and at that time the investment was rupees should not exceed the investment of ₹5 lakh. Now it is 5 crore rupees. With the passage of time, with almost after 70 years, right now 5 lakh rupees amount has changed to 5 crore rupees. Okay, but at that time that investment 5 lakh rupees was less, and in today's era ₹5 crores limit is less. But in large scale industries lot of money is required, lot of investment is required. It is not possible for everyone to start a business with such a big amount. So small scale industry one can easily start the business with a less amount of investment which does not exceed 5 crore rupees. Beta, I am telling you again कि 5 crore rupees is a maximum limit. It is not the minimum limit. Now anyone can start the business with small machines and small equipments, small manpower, but the total investment on the business should not exceed 5 crore rupees. You can start business like bakeries, like boutiques, parlors. These are your toys. These are the basic examples, and these are the industries which does not require much more investment. Okay? So now we will discuss the characteristics of small scale industries. ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है +2 क्लास के लिए। कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज़ के पता होने चाहिए। मैं यहाँ पे आपको एक बात दोबारा बताना चाहूँगी कि जो मैंने आपको 5 करोड़ रुपीज़ की लिमिट बताई है, मैक्सिमम लिमिट जो है वो एज ऑन डेट, मतलब आज की डेट में 5 करोड़ रुपीज़ की स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज़ की इन्वेस्टमेंट लिमिट मैक्सिमम ये है। ये आपको 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन में आ सकता है, एमसीक्यूज में भी आ सकता है कि आज की डेट में कितनी है। और जब हमारा प्लानिंग पीरियड शुरू हुआ था ऑन 1st April 1951, at that time the amount was ₹5 lakh. So ये दोनों चीज़ें, दोनों अमाउंट्स आपको और दोनों डेट्स आपको पता होनी चाहिए कि पहले क्या थी और अब क्या है, क्योंकि बेसिक कंपैरिजन हमारा तब का और आज की डेट में हो रहा है। ठीक है, ये देखो ये सारे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स। पहला है, फर्स्ट इज लेबर इंटेंसिव। मैंने आपको बताया है कि जो हमारे जब स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज़ को शुरू किया गया था प्लानिंग पीरियड में, बेसिकली क्यों शुरू किया गया था, वो इसलिए शुरू किया गया था, एक तो हमारी इकोनॉमी में इतना पैसा नहीं था, ठीक है, दूसरा इंडस्ट्रियली बैकवर्ड इकोनॉमी थी। और हमारी इकोनॉमी में जो था वो कैपिटल इतनी नहीं थी, लेबर ज़्यादा थी. सो प्लानिंग पीरियड्स में ये चीज़ को ध्यान रखते हुए, keeping this thing in mind, the planners of our economy, they thought it is better to boost small scale industries because we in our economy we have abundant labor force and we are not having so much of capital. So small scale industries were encouraged, in which we need less capital investment and we can absorb the more labor which is available nearby. So this small scale industries are labor intensive technique industries. They absorb more of labor. Okay, you can go anywhere in any boutique, or you can go in any parlor, or you can go in any bakery shop or eatery shop. In these cases you will see more of labor force is employed over there, and capital or machinery, you can see it is not much more. Like the work is being done by the people manually. Like in boutiques you see the swing machine is there, but it is being operated by the human beings. Okay, so more of labor intensive technique is used. As you can see in the pic at the background, ladies are employed over there and they are using the machines. These are electronic machines, right? The work is being done at a very high speed and with less effort, but you see lot of labor force is employed over here, right? And it needs small investment. I have already told you maximum limit is 5 crore rupees as on date. Okay, so as in today's era 5 crore rupees is not a huge amount. It is comparatively less amount as compared to the investment which we need in the large scale industries. Okay, next comes resource utilization. Now these small scale industries, as they require less amount of investment, so what they do, स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज क्या करती हैं, वो अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेज विच आर अवेलेबल नियर बाय, दे यूज दोज रिसोर्सेज, राइट? The resources which are available near to their or industry or their organization, they can easily use those resources and they can complete their work on time. So these small scale industries, what they do, they they make the proper utilization of the resources which are available nearby, which are not used by the or which are not located by the large scale industries. Then comes generates employment. As you can see, lot of female workers are there working on the swing machine in the background picture. So though the labor force which is available means the people which are willing to do work and they are not getting work according to their skills, they can do work in these small scale industries and earn money. So it generates employment. Next is flexibility. Flexibilities, these small scale industries are much more flexible as compared to the large scale industries. Now if there is any atmospheric change, any change in your like technology, right, or any change in the demand pattern, so these small scale industries can easily adapt themselves to that change. But it is not so much easy task for large scale industries. They have to they will take time and lot of investment is required for it. But small scale industries have the capability to adjust to the available changes. Okay, तो जो ये स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज है इजीली ये फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी दिखाती है, अपने आप को चेंज कर लेती है. देन कम्स लिमिटेड रेंज. नाउ ये एक फीचर है, दिस इज द फीचर ऑफ स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज, दैट दीज स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज हैव लिमिटेड रेंज एज कंपेयर टू द लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. Large scale industries have their market size is very big, right? But these small scale industries has a limited market size. They fulfill the demand of the people in nearby. Like अब जैसे मैं आपको एग्जांपल देती हूँ, कोई बुटीक है यहाँ पे लोकल, पंजाब में कोई बुटीक है. सो वॉट यू कैन डू, अगर आपको बहुत पसंद है, यू वैसे तो जो पंजाब में, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल लेट अस टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ लुधियाना में कोई बुटीक है तो आप वहाँ से कपड़ा सिलवा सकते हो बड़े आराम से. बट इट इज़ नॉट फिजिबल फॉर यू if you are staying in Amritsar and you specially come to Ludhiana to get your garment stitched. It is not practically possible. So these small scale industries, they have a limited reach. Obviously you can once a while, whenever you go there and you are staying in Ludhiana, you are for 1 week or 10 days, and you can get your dress stitched, but not always. It is only possible when you go there and you stay there, otherwise you will have double expense of getting your dress stitched. So these small scale industries has limited reach. Okay, then comes ownership. Now ownership and management, ये दोनों मैं आपको इकट्ठे ही समझा देती हूँ. These small scale industries, these require less amount of capital of investment. As I have already told you, the amount should not exceed rupees 5 crores as on date. So as the investment is not very big amount, so these small scale industries are either owned by sole entrepreneur. Sole ownership is there by a single person or by partners. ठीक है. So these like your the owners of the small scale industries, they are actively engaged in the working process of your business, of your industry. So ownership is sole or partnership, you can say. And the management, as these partners or you can say these owners are actively participating in the daily routine work of these industries, and they are taking decisions. So management is solely in their hands. The owners, maybe maybe the owner of the small scale industry is a sole proprietorship, or it is an partnership fund. Whatsoever it is, the membership lies in the management lies in the hands of the owners of the industry. Okay, so these are the basic characteristics, or you can say the features of small scale industries. This is all about today's video. If you find any difficulty, you are most welcome to give your feedback in the comment box. Thanks for watching.